All right.
Okay, now we have seen the skin before,
Yeah.
right? And out of the skin, one of the things is that then start becoming fair game for me is anything that we have mentioned about the what we're covering now. For example, yes, we mentioned about the receptors, the what it is, the Meissner, the Pacinian is another Pacinian. This is a Ruffini receptor, and that's all the receptors I see here. But then that's this one, the Ruffini receptor. Now, that's not it. What I can ask about this, for example. We just covered in the lecture exam that some kind of innervation go to this structure. You guys remember if it's somatic or autonomic?
Autonomic?
What kind? Sympathetic or parasympathetic?
Sympathetic.
Sympathetic. What about the sweat gland?
Sympathetic.
Only sympathetic, exactly right. Only sympathetic. So those kind of things are going to be important that you keep in mind because then it start becoming for me fair game. You know, because since we're talking about that. Oh, by the way, these are the Merkel's receptors. Okay. And these are nerve endings, free nerve endings. Typically, see how it goes from here. They can make it for cold or temperature receptors. These are going to be forming the Merkel disc with Merkel cells in your epidermis. And that's about it, what I can say over here. All the adipose tissue, right? Remember also the adipose tissue innervated by sympathetic. What is the receptor in the adipose tissue? What is the receptor, the sympathetic receptor?
No, that's not a receptor. That's a receptor.
The receptor. I just remember it.
Okay, it is muscarinic, nicotinic, or alpha or beta. It's muscarinic receptor, nicotinic receptor, alpha receptor, or beta receptor. Which one?
Beta was inflammation.
Okay, I'm going to guess not alpha or beta. I'm going to guess the other two, one of those two. Yeah, let's guess the one that starts with an M that I'm not going to try to pronounce.
What?
There we go.
One.
Okay, no, so he shook his head, so I'm going to assume it starts with an N, which is the
Nicotine.
blah,
I
blah.
don't think it's. No?
Okay, I'm going to retract my former statement about the alpha and beta.
Beta.
It's beta?
Beta, that was it.
Beta 1, 2,
That
or
was
3.
it. That was it.
Beta 1, 2, or 3.
Oh, come on.
One's hard.
1 is mostly heart. 2 is mostly
Long.
bronchial dilator.
So it's
And 3
three.
is lipolysis.
Oh, okay.
So 3.
Oh, that's right. Breakdown is that. Oh, beta 3.
Oh.
All that is fair game.
Okay, so beta 3 is the receptor for the adipose tissue. Okay. Had to be one of those four.
That's basically it.
Okay.